Welcome to the home of English. There is a good news for SSC CGL 2018 candidates. The combined graduate level examination, that is CGL 2018 Tier 3 result has been declared by SSC in its website. Actually, the scheduled date was 4th October 2020, but they have declared the result in advance. That is today, that is 30th September, they have declared. The SSC JEE result also they had declared in advance. So declaration of result for appearing in skill test and document verification, that is DV. The Staff Selection Commission conducted Tier 3 written examination of CGLE 2018 on 29/12/2019. A total of 50,293 candidates were declared qualified for appearing in Tier 3. Out of which 41,803 candidates appeared in the aforesaid examination. Let us see what are the cutoff marks and number of candidates who are qualified and what are the instructions ahead. As per the notice, the examination of the candidates who score minimum qualifying marks as fixed by the Commission in Tier 3 examination will be eligible to appear in skill test and document verification. That is based on the marks of Tier 1, Tier 2 and Tier 3. Details of candidates qualifying in Tier 3 for appearing in document verification and skill test. As per list below, candidates qualified in Tier 3 for appearing document verification for the post of Assistant Audit Officer. The UR cutoff is 686. There are 581 UR candidates. And go through the other categories. And that for JSO, that is Junior Statistical Officer, it is UR cutoff is 584.70. There is list 3, that is candidates qualified in Tier 3 for appearing in CPT and document verification. UR cutoff is 539.32. There are 6,453 candidates. Then the main list, that is candidates list 4, candidates qualified for Tier 3 in Tier 3 for appearing in DEST and document verification. UR cutoff is 512.44. There are 11,090 candidates available. For SC category, the cutoff is 431. For ST, it is 407. OBC, 477. Ex-servicemen, it is 288. OH, 374. HH, 256. VH, 379. Others, PWD, 172. There are 31,876 candidates available. In addition to the UR candidates shown above, 674 SC, 181 ST, and 4,899 OBC, 21 ESM, 28 OH, 2 HH, and 16 VH candidates qualifying at UR cutoff have been shown under their respective categories. So after excluding common candidates, there are 32,001 candidates are qualifying in Tier 3 and recommended for skill test and document verification. So the instruction is given, candidates are informed that all the candidates declared qualified in Tier 3 will be called for document verification. All candidates qualified in more than one list need to appear for skill test, that is DEST or CPT, and document verification only once. Candidates who do not attend document verification will not be considered for final selection. Candidates declared qualified in list 3 will be called for CPT. The candidates called for CPT will not be called for DEST separately, and module 1 of CPT will be taken for evaluating their performance against data, that is DEST. Then shortlisted candidates qualified in Tier 1, Tier 2 and Tier 3 combinedly will appear for the skill test and document verification as per the following. List 1 and 2 in document verification, list 3 in CPT and document verification, and list 4 is only for, has to appear only DEST and document verification. One important thing is that the schedule of the CPT or DEST or document verification of the qualified candidates will be available on the websites of the concerned regional offices in due course. So that will be available in the regional centers, that is regional offices website, not in the SSC website. Qualified eligible candidates who do not receive call letters should contact the concerned regional offices of the commission immediately. Marks of the candidates will be uploaded on the website of the commission in due course. So the marks of, that is Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3, all combined mark, that is final scorecard, will be uploaded maybe in 1 week. The candidate may visit the website, then go in the SSC website result section. There we will get today's link for list 3 download, in which the list is given. You can check out your name in that. All the best for the next stage, that is the skill test and document verification.